From single point of failure to cloud resilience, a Stromasys success story. Did you know that legacy systems are responsible for over 60% of all unplanned IT downtime? When disaster strikes, businesses without a robust disaster recovery plan risk significant disruption and lost productivity. A leading cement manufacturer in Saudi Arabia relied on legacy Fujitsu SPARC servers for their core production systems. Expensive maintenance costs due to hardware obsolescence. Catastrophic single point of failure. Limited cloud migration options as most providers don't support for Solaris. Critical downtime risks for ERP and database systems. Lack of technical expertise for aging SPARC hardware. Stromasys, in partnership with CloudWorks, introduced Charon SSP to transform SPARC disaster recovery. It delivers tested, reliable disaster recovery (DR) on AWS with automatic failover and proven recovery. Within 3 months, the customer successfully implemented a robust disaster recovery setup. Disaster recovery, active-passive DR setup with a 1-hour RTO. Minimize downtime, uninterrupted business continuity. Power savings, 25% reduction in power consumption. Enhanced performance, DR site matches on-premises performance. Cost efficiency, significant savings on hardware maintenance. Seamless integration, easy adoption of modern IT and cloud services. Regulatory compliance, enhanced business continuity and compliance. Here's what the customer had to say. Don't wait for disaster to strike your legacy infrastructure. See how Charon SSP delivers bulletproof disaster recovery while cutting costs. Learn more at www.stromasys.com.